To replace an upper door hinge, start by removing the screws that secure the door hinge cover to the fridge. Remove the hinge cover and disconnect the sensor harness. Now that we have access to the door hinge screws, remove those as well. Lift upwards on the door so that it slides off the middle hinge assembly. To remove the upper hinge, gently lift upward until it fully slides out. Replace with new upper hinge. To remove the middle hinge, locate the screws that affix it to the fridge and remove them. Replace with the new hinge. Place the door back onto the middle hinge and line up the screw holes at the top of the fridge with the holes on the upper hinge. Reinstall the screws. Reconnect the sensor harness. Reinstall the protective cap and screws as well.